Hello, my name is Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus. I just split a bunch of wood, have a loader bucket full of split wood and little pieces, and I'm going to show you how to stack them today. I know it sounds simple, but there's right and wrong ways of stacking wood, and I'd like to show you how I do it. And it's like putting a puzzle together. You want to take your time, get them stacked tight, and there's something I came up with years back about plugs. Have little pieces of wood, and all you need is a sledgehammer, and you fill the stack. I've got 2 stacks back here, and it's all under roof, and you want to let these stacks dry out for at least 6 to 8 months. So these 2 stacks right here I won't be using next winter. Right now it's early April of 19. I won't be using them this fall. I'll be using them the fall after that in my wood burner. So it'll be dried out good. You want your wood below 20% moisture before burning them in your wood burner or fireplace. That'll keep the creosote level down in your flue. And anyway, here we go. Enjoy watching me work. You want your stack to be leaning a little bit away from you. That way, if it falls over, which hopefully it won't fall over, but that's why I take my time, try to do it right, and get them as tight as you can get them. And when you have pieces that are bigger on one side than the other, you want to kind of watch it as you go up and keep your stack leaning away from you. That way, if it would fall over, then it'll fall into the other stack and not on my vehicle. This is where I park my Yukon. So anyway, back to work. Just keep in mind that over time this stack is going to shrink because of the water is going to come out of the wood, and the wood will actually shrink, and the whole stack will settle. So anytime you want, you can come back later. You can come back months later, find little holes in your wood there, and plug them with little pieces of wood. I'll show you. That's too big of a piece of wood. But anyway, you take little pieces of wood, usually bigger than this, but you stick them in holes and put them in there. Here's a better piece. Just pound them in there, and it'll tighten that stack up. these little short pieces. I can stick on the end so it doesn't affect your stack that much. Whenever you have crazy pieces of wood, put them on the towards the ends of the stack. Just take your time, fit them in there like pieces of a puzzle. Oops. For all you people in the big city and you don't have a wood burner, I feel for you, man, because I'm getting older and I love the heat, and it's cheap, and I can keep my house on the inside 80+ degrees all winter long. It's awesome. Awesome, I'm telling you. You know you can always move. I can stack this all the way to the ceiling, all the way to the rafters. That'll be about 8 feet up there, so you want to be careful and do a good job stacking and get as tight as you can get it. Boy, I need a haircut. Sometimes you gotta turn logs around. Do whatever you gotta do. Have a good stack of wood there. Well, that's it. I'm done stacking all the wood out of that bucket. So I need to go cut me some more, split me some more wood. But my back's killing me. I think I'm gonna take a break. But that's how you stack wood. And I'm Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus, and I'm going to have videos on how to, on step-by-step, how to do remodeling, chainsaw stuff, backhoe stuff, cutting trees, all kinds of good stuff. Anyway, like always, if you have a cat or dog, get them spayed and or neutered. And if you want to get a cat or a dog, please go to your local animal shelter, rescue one. They would really appreciate it. So you have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.